What is up, YouTube? Are you looking for the very best way to really get into making money online? If so, I've got something really exciting to tell you about in my review of Igniter. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, this thing might give you a clue. It's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. And I am one of the few people who can pull it off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as stale as the donuts on the East Precinct's desk. They probably left them there before they abandoned it for the Chaz, and now it's been sitting there for a long time. Probably the co-opted for the no-cop co-op, but hey, you never know. Anyway, but seriously, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products in the make money online niche. Now, why would I do such a thing? Well, it's really quite simple. Because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Every single day, Bart. Every day. Do you realize how irritating this guy is? Every day, same thing. You'd think he could get a new line. Anyway, the way things work, if I like a product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. I love this. She's a sweetheart. You know, we've been watching 30 Rock since the lockdown started. Now it looks like it may come back, God forbid. But anyway, yeah, she's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Igniter by my friend Robin Palmer. Now, Robin is an interesting person. He hasn't done a whole lot of launches. He doesn't launch like every couple of weeks like some people do. He tries to launch stuff when he's got something really good to share, and Igniter is really, really good. Basically, what he's going to teach you is how to find a money-making method online and then how to turn that into a course. As my mentor, John Thornhill, likes to say, you'll always make more money by teaching other people how to actually do something that you've taught yourself than you will from actually doing your own thing. It's just the way it is, and it really does work quite well and makes you a ton of money when you do it. So very, very nice numbers here, and this is real. Obviously, Robin does have a bit of a following already, so it's not going to be that you're going to be instantly seeing $18,000 in sales, but you will definitely be able to see some significant amounts of money coming in using this particular method. And I do want to tell you about my bonuses before we bump over to the members area, because I do have some really good bonuses for you. So first of all, I got 5 complete courses. Now, why did I give you 5 complete courses? It's actually very simple. Igniter is going to teach you how to find a money-making method, but one of the best ways to find a money-making method is to find something that already works, implement it, see how it works, and then kind of tweak it a little bit for yourself. That's what most people end up doing these days. Most people don't come up with something completely brand new. What they do is they take something that exists and they find their own little tweaks to make it even better, and then they turn that into a course. And that really does work really, really well for making new courses, making new materials in this particular industry. And so I'm giving you 5 different courses. You got 24-hour traffic machine, split testing, Pinterest marketing, and I'm blanking on the other 2, but there's 5 of them. There's also going to be my 31 days of email swipes, as well as my course on how to make, my mini course on how to make the best bonuses available. A couple other things, I can't remember what it was, but really, really nice stuff. And of course, the price here, by the way, is $10, less than $10. So it's really, really well worth it. So let's go ahead and bump over to the members area real quick. I'm going to show you what it is, and then we'll see if I'm going to give it a tip and answer the product greater or not. Okay, so this is the members area here. Very, very interesting, very basic stuff. And he showed you how you can get everything up and running in between 7 to 14 days, which is really, really important as far as I'm concerned. That's a big deal because a lot of people say, oh, Eric, I don't want to spend months or years putting something together. You really don't have to. Okay, you can put something together really, really quick and get it out the door and start making money pretty quickly, especially if you have an idea of something that you already know how to do. I've seen people who have pumped out a course like every other week or even every week even. I don't recommend doing that, but to get started, it definitely is not as difficult as it may sound. So let's see if I can give a 10 minutes of the product grader or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
Yes, indeed, my friend. This is the best way of building a business online because people get to know who you are. They like the product. If they like the product, they're going to buy from you over and over and over again. Go ahead and grab this thing because this is really going to make or break you as if you really want to make it online.